What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody out there is having a blessed day. Now, as you may have known, the SNKRS app released the Jordan 1 Royal Toes on early access about I would say maybe like a week and a half ago. And I did get early access, and I ain't gonna lie, like the first time around when they first dropped them, I took a L. They sold out right away. You know, sometimes the app acts buggy, and for some reason it was acting up that day. So I wasn't really able to submit my order before, you know, the time ran out. And so I was, you know, getting ready to reply because I had people hitting me up like, yo, did you cop? Did you cop? And all of a sudden I get a notification from SoulLinks, and they're talking about there's a restock. So I hit the link and I was able to check out my size, thankfully. So here's a look at the label here. And man, yo, shout out to Nike, because a lot of shipments have been delayed. I know a lot of people who just got the Fire Red 5s from the shock drop about like 3 weeks ago. So I'm glad that Nike did ship my pair out within a decent amount of time, and I was able to actually get an early pair before the release date. But here we have the Royal Toe Jordan 1s, and I know a lot of people have been comparing these to the Gym Reds, which is because they are very similar. But a main difference in the shoe is the leather, at least the black parts of the leather. It's not as shiny as the Gym Reds. And also on the Gym Reds, we had a colored swoosh, but on here we got the black swoosh. Now these do come with an extra set of blue laces as well. And I mean, the main difference that I don't really like about the shoe is this leather tongue tab right here. Like, Nike has been putting this on the last couple of Jordan 1s, and I'm not really a fan of it. So hopefully they do go back to how it was before. Another thing that I do like about the shoe is the inside right here. It's kind of like a nylon material on the inner lining of the shoe. It seems like it'll be a little bit more breathable when you're wearing the shoe. So along with that, the leather quality is not really all that. I know a lot of people get tired of people talking about leather quality, but for me, you know, I feel like I spend money on these shoes, so you know, I should have an opinion on how I feel like my leather should be. So it's not really up to par as far as the Royals. I do have a pair of the OG Royals right here, so if you look at that right here, you can pretty much see the difference within the leather. Now this is a little bit more tougher, and it's not really a deal breaker. These has more appeal when you wear them because it has a softer leather, so which is gonna look nicer when you wear them in. Which with this, you have a stiffer leather, then it's gonna, you know, it's gonna look like the creases are a little bit more rough than what they really are. I don't know if that made any sense, but besides that, I mean, this is a dope colorway, and you can't really go wrong with the black, blue, and white Jordan 1. These are set to release this Saturday. Now, I want to say, if you do happen to miss out on the shoes, just keep a lookout, because I'm pretty sure these are going to be restocking throughout the week, especially since I heard that a lot of the foot stores like Foot Locker, Champs, and Foot Action, right now all their stock is going to fulfill orders online. So that means more pairs online, which means we all have more chances of copying. So I think I mentioned this in my last video, and that was to follow SoulLinks. And I'm just saying this based off of what helps me. You know, SoulLink doesn't pay me or nothing like that. It's just a good tool to be able to use, especially on release dates when you have multiple websites dropping the shoes, so you have better chances of actually copying. So I definitely recommend to go follow SoulLinks on Twitter, because they will be posting all the links for this shoe when they do release. So these are the Game Royals. Hopefully you guys do cop a pair. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys catch a W. With that said, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.